Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to all the fans them, to all my friends them, to the family and to everyone. What I want to simply say to you, I have a little tips and a little idea. One of the best way how you can set your Christmas dinner table. How to set your Christmas dinner table is this one of the best way you could ever think of. Very easy, quick and simple, guys. I'm gonna put some picture through the video which you can see how you can make your Christmas dinner be happy, the family be happy, and everyone be happy and have a wonderful Christmas and a Merry Christmas. Guys, you're gonna love this one. I'm gonna run some picture through the video which you can see how to set your Christmas dinner table. Hopefully you guys will just enjoy the Christmas dinner table setting and have a big idea of how to do it. And you know, sometimes you want a little bit of change and a little tips of things how you can do for your Christmas and also for have a wonderful time. I want to say, remember, if you like it, please leave your comments and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching my cooking program, and as I always say, we have a lot more recipe coming for you. We have a lot more video coming up for you. Guys, remember, the time is counting down. Today is the 12th of December. And also, remember, we're going to make that Jamaican rum fruit cake, which is coming very, very, very early. The Jamaican rum fruit cake gonna give you a lot of different. We got the sour drink which we're gonna make for you, and we're gonna want you to put on the table. So this is the tips of how you can set a Christmas dinner table. And remember, make space for the rum cake and make space for the sorry. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we're gonna do this right until the 25th of December, that day when Jesus was born and Christmas Day. You know this song. Help me sing the song when it comes along. God bless you. From Chef Ricardo.